What is the one thing that gives you unlimited power despite the odds against you? It's the one thing that you can control right now. No matter what goes on out there, it's the one thing they cannot take away from you. It's hope. And in this video, I'm going to motivate you to rebuild your hope so that you are unstoppable. This is the Dr. K Show. I'm Dr. Karthik Ramanan. This is the #1 place for ambitious individuals to build optimal emotional health. On this channel, I do motivational videos, meditations, and of course, the Dr. K Show, where I discuss valuable topics in the realm of emotional health every single week. I encourage you to hit that subscribe button right now. The world is in a state of stress right now. Many are dealing with anxiety over their health, anxiety over their finances. Many are stressed by social isolation. Many are stressed out and can't even point to the reason. Why on earth would anyone be hopeful right now? As it pertains to hope, the first thing we must recognize is that it is not based in rational thought. No, hope is an emotion, and we may justify it with rational thought, but it is still purely an emotion that can exist without a rational basis. Have you ever freaked out about a situation, and then when you try to tell yourself that it's actually not a big deal, you still can't stop the emotional storm? Well, emotions are independent of rational thinking. Therefore, hope is independent of rational thinking. So you can be hopeful for no good reason at all. Every day there are over 16,000 car accidents in the United States. Some of those are fatal, and yet we don't think twice before getting into the car. So why is that? It's because we have hope. It's the belief that we will be okay despite the odds of what's happening around us. So where does that come from? Well, it's built into the human spirit. Hope doesn't need to be manufactured. It is within your capability to feel. Right now, the odds may feel stacked against you. You may feel as though you are crumbling. But my friend, take a moment to reflect on the past challenges that you have faced in your life. What have you been put up against, both as an adult and as a child? What tragedies have you had to overcome? What pitfalls and stumbling blocks have you had to fight and claw through? And yet you have made it here to this moment right now. You are undefeated. Wherever you focus that attention, that is your reality. If you focus your attention towards the things that make you feel hopeless, you will feel broken. However, when you focus on who you truly are, that undefeated, powerful human being, that becomes your reality. We are the average of the 5 people and ideas that we spend the most time with. So be ruthless with who and what gets your time and attention. If you want to live in a reality of hope, spend time with hopeful people. Consume content that fosters and feeds that positive view. And you might be saying right now, Dr. K, but the whole world is bleak right now. And maybe you're right. But if you choose to focus on that, you will never see the opportunities that might be right under your nose. How many times in your life have you gone through a tragedy, come out the other side, and realized that it was all a blessing in disguise? This moment can be that as well if you choose to make that your reality. The bottom line is this, my friend. We have been raised to think that we have to see it to believe it. Quite the contrary. We have to believe it to see it. I repeat, we have to believe it to see it. That's why everyone only spreads news articles and points of view that they agree with, because that's their reality, based on their past experiences and present beliefs. They actually can't see another point of view, so everyone argues and nobody wins. We only see what we believe. So why not use that to your advantage? Why not step up to the plate and realize that today is like every other challenge in your life to this point? You stepped up and you won. You are unstoppable. Declare that today is the day that you forever live in hope. I believe in your greatness. Look, hope is like a muscle. We have to practice living in hope, and to help you do so, I've created a 5-day hope challenge at no cost just for you. We'll have a private Facebook group, and I'll be doing daily live streams with motivational speeches like this one, meditations, and exercises for you to build that hope muscle. Just go to 5dayhopechallenge.com or click the link below. Go on, pause this video, do it right now. Be sure to tune in next Wednesday for another episode of the Dr. K Show, and while you wait for that episode, be sure to check out this video right here. Always remember, I believe in your greatness.